Hi, Prince William County students and parents. Today I'm going to show you 3 ways that you set up your Zoom account so that you can join your teacher's class. One way is through the web browser. So you open up a web browser like Chrome or Safari, and you go to zoom.pwcsbackpack.com. Here you're going to be at the Zoom page for Prince William County. You can join a meeting if you're already signed in, or you can sign in to configure your account. Now you're going to sign into your Prince William County email. That's the one that's pwcs-edu.org. It's the same email and password as your student view. And then once you were signed into your email, you're going to notice that you'll have a picture over here with your name and the word basic. You're now set up with your Zoom account. You could now go back to zoom.pwcsbackpack and join a meeting if you had the code. You can also configure your account using the desktop application if you have the computer. So here I have the desktop Zoom application. Once you open it up, I click Sign In with SSO. I'm now going to put in the Prince William County domain. So pwcs-zm-edu. Once I do that, as soon as I hit continue, it asks me to sign into my email again. So I do. And then I'm going to get prompted right here to open Zoom again. And then now I'm connected to my Zoom account. I see my name and I see basic, and I see that I can join any meeting from the home menu right here. So I've set the Zoom up now with my computer application. Another way you can set up Zoom is using your mobile device. So when I click on the Zoom application, I'm going to see Sign In at the very bottom. Do you see the key at the bottom? I'm going to click the key that says SSO. It's going to ask me to put in my Prince William County domain. Remember, it is pwcs-zm-edu. And I click Go. It's going to ask me to sign into my email, but since it's my device, I'm already signed into my school email, so I click Open. It's going to bring me back to the Zoom application, and I can join any meeting if my teacher is giving me the code. I can check that I'm signed in by clicking on the gear and seeing my name and the word basic. When you join your teacher's Zoom meeting, you're most likely going to join from Canvas. So I'm going to go to canvas.pwcsbackpack.com. I'm going to click on the class. And then on the left side of the course navigation, I'm going to see the word Zoom. When I click on Zoom, if my teacher has scheduled a meeting, I'm going to see that there's a meeting today, and I can join that meeting. It's going to ask me to open up Zoom again. I'm going to join with my video. And then you can see I'm now waiting for my teacher to open up the class so I can join the meeting. Thanks for watching, and that's how you configure your Zoom account